In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create custom invoices in WooCommerce. We'll be setting this up directly inside your WordPress site using a popular WooCommerce invoice plugin. And the process is straightforward. If you want your store to generate professional-looking invoices automatically, this is a great way to do it. First, go to your WordPress dashboard and head over to Plugins, then click Add New. This is where you can search for and install new functionality for your WooCommerce store. In the search bar, look for PDF invoices and packing slips for WooCommerce by WP Overnight. Once you find it, click Install Now, and after the installation finishes, click Activate. This plugin adds invoice generation features to WooCommerce and gives you a clean starting point for creating branded documents for your customers. After the plugin is active, go to WooCommerce and then PDF Invoices to launch the setup wizard. The wizard is designed to help you get the basics configured quickly, so it's a good place to start rather than jumping straight into the settings manually. As you go through the setup steps, enter your business details such as your company name, address, and tax number, and upload your company logo. These details are important because they appear on your invoices and help make them look more professional and consistent with your brand. Take a moment here to double check everything, since invoice information should be accurate and easy for customers to read. Once the wizard is complete, you can refine your invoice settings under WooCommerce, then PDF invoices. This is where you can review the default options and make adjustments to better match how you want your invoices to work. Depending on your store's needs, you may want to tweak things like display preferences and general invoice behavior. The free version of the plugin uses a simple, clean template, which is usually enough for many stores. If you want deeper customization of the layout, colors, and fonts using a drag and drop editor, that would go beyond the basic template options. For many users, though, the built-in design is already polished and practical, so it's perfectly fine to start there and only expand later if needed. Finally, generate and test your invoices. This is an important last step because it lets you see exactly what your customers will receive. Check that your branding appears correctly, the business details are accurate, and the overall formatting looks clean and professional. Running a test helps you catch small issues before real orders go out. And that's how to create custom invoices in WooCommerce, from installation to testing, using a simple workflow that keeps everything organized and customer ready.